Hello everyone, I'm Brie. I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to show you three cute hairstyles for every hair type, from curly to short to straight, every hair type. It's gonna look very cute, so let's go to the video. So first one. So for this hairstyles you only need rubber bands and few pins, that's all. I don't know why, but this hairstyle makes me remind of the girl from Spy and Family, Anya Forger. She used to wear two cute clips, and that clip is really cute. This hairstyle reminds me of her. And by the way, how many of you watch animes? Are you a fan of anime? Let me know. These hairstyles are really cute. These are easy to go hairstyles, not only for the children's, the elders, school going girls also can try this hairstyle if your school is not that strict. This is the next hairstyle. It goes to with the school girls, to all the teenage girls, elders, children, anybody can try this hairstyle. Let me know if you're trying these hairstyles. Please share a picture on social networking site. Please follow me on Instagram and Facebook too. I'll give all the links, and also I'll share the handle name at the end, so don't worry about that. If you do watch K-drama like me, are you a fan of K-drama? Let me know in the comments. So as I say, this hairstyle is really easy to do. While school students can try, I don't think teacher will mind if you do this hairstyle. I don't think so. It looks like you're doing a braid, so don't worry, they won't mind. As I say, this hairstyles is really cool. So if you want more hairstyles like this, then please subscribe to my channel. To know more information regarding fashions and skincare, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you wanna achieve a higher half pony, then you can try this trick to make it more higher and look more pretty. I have mentioned earlier, this hairstyle looks great with any hair type, whether you have short hairs, long hairs, curly hairs, any hair type, it looks great. And here we are at the very end. So these are the hairstyles. I hope you all love this video. Bye, see you. So much for loving the previous video. It means a lot to me. And subscribe to my channel, and make sure to follow me on Insta and Facebook. And don't forget to carry your confidence and smile with you.